This is a partially assembled prototype board for the miniSmoke. It's a pretty tight pack. I tried to get it as small as I could, but these capacitors have a big role in this whole circuit smoothing exercise. I wanted to make sure. So I'm clipped up to the output, which would, at this point, it would go to a pot, trim pot. And from the trim pot, we would then adjust it down to the voltage that we want to get either to the heater or the fan. So they're both going to get 9 volts because that is the particular transistor that I have. It's a 7809 and it will put out 9 volts regardless of what's coming in. And what's coming in, if I go back to my beautiful, what is this? 4B up at the top there, 4B transformer. I am hooked up to the accessory fixed 15 volts AC, fixed AC. So this could be a dummy transformer sent out somewhere, plugged in. You take it right out of the AC. Here comes the 2 leads AC into this connector, into this rectifier. That is a big rectifier. Into the transistor, which is a step-down volt regulator, 7809. And in between that, I got a pair of capacitors that were specified by the article I was reading. 330 farads for the first and 100 farad for the output. Rate them at 25 volts. We're at only 15 volts AC, but I thought, let's go high. Okay, so we're seeing, look at that. How steady eddy can you get? 8.99 and 9 volts coming out, steady. So that would sit there and go to this baby and fry it. 9 volts. The motor would be screaming until the bearings ran out and the element in the heater would burn out. But we have trim pots. These are adjustable potentiometers. This is like a variable resistor. I'm going to set that in circuit. If you put any resistor in there, the voltage would drop. And I could do that, I'll show it to you, but I don't want to now. But you can trim this to the voltage. So what I'm going to do is finish building this. Then I'm going to do another output measurement for each of the pieces, the heater and the fan, because the fan motor takes much less voltage. I'm going to adjust it down to about 3 volts, and I'm going to leave the heater up around 5 volts for starters, and we'll see how that works out. And then if we want more or less smoke, more or less flow of smoke, these are adjustable to a degree. I mean, 9 volts to that motor would burn it, but it would be screaming, you'd know it. I might have to put a hard resistor in there just to keep guys from burning it up, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Okay, moving on. Progress. And it's only 3 o'clock. Can you believe it? Yes, we're on fire. Later.